Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain.
Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. If you're new, my name is Ruth. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back to another video. So today is a Saturday. I haven't vlogged the whole of last week, so there was no video. Anyway, I'm at Mumsy's house. I look crusty because she's moving out. She's moving to a new home, so she's really excited about that. So well, I'm excited, but there's a lot of cleaning to do. I'm obviously not going to be showing the houses and stuff, but I'll try to put a little bit of snippets here and there. So yeah, I think we might have a braai later on, which is why I'm starting this vlog now. So yeah, I just thought let me shoot this. I think we woke up about 6 o'clock just to do the last minute packing. We slept over here, my cousin, my daughter, my baby cousin, so that we could pack overnight and do some other stuff. So that's what we did. So now we're just packing some, like the little bit of the things that you said, so like just miscellaneous stuff, some vases, some small stuff, so that we go that side and clean up and pack things where they need to be packed, and then later on we're gonna have the braai. But I'm so tired, guys. I am so exhausted. I thought by now I would have my wig lines, because I get again, and I was planning on wearing a wig. So I don't know, we'll see. Let me go help out because they just really need the help. Waiting this. Akanya water phone I me. Ma? Ma te ke re tsala ruri. Sai. Sene se tsageditse le ba le ba tlo le skala la damo fruit. Dozela no rota direct. The baking soda le ne ke le bole phamba go direka ya no ga ke itse gore ke le neele karata le cash akere re ka shaba kae no re Guys, I've never been this exhausted in my whole life. I've been cleaning, guys. Like it's like at 6. All I've been doing is cleaning the whole day. So I just went to pick up an order while I was outside. I went to the shop, so when I got here, delivery at KFC was here. So here we are. We're gonna eat and then continue cleaning. We're almost done though, so we're gonna finish off cleaning and then we're gonna pack the rest of the things. I don't think the braai is gonna happen because everybody's just too exhausted. Plus the fast is connected, so or anything like that. So if it's braai, it's gonna be braai alone. So why do I have this? I just thought let me fill you guys in. I know this vlog is really slow because I wasn't showing you guys anything, but please bear with me. Let's go.
You let me build up my feelings. You shatter them quickly, I let you. It's easier than fighting, but I know I give you everything I am.
Hey guys, it's been a long time since I updated this vlog, but I can explain why. I know that I wasn't communicating or anything. I didn't even post anything on my Instagram or my YouTube community post to let you guys know that I won't be posting. But I haven't been feeling well. I think the last time that I vlogged was that Saturday, and the vlog just ended haphazardly. So I woke up the next Sunday. We slept at Mamsi's house because we finished packing things very late. So I woke up that morning and I wasn't feeling well. Like literally from the moment I woke up, I wanted to go to church. I had packed some of my stuff there, so I wasn't feeling well at all. So I didn't go to church that Sunday. I wasn't feeling well. We came back home that afternoon. The girls just wasn't having it. I wasn't okay at all. I hope this thing is focused because then there's a focus isn't. But anyway, so I was having asthma attack after asthma attack. I have been literally, I think I was living off of my pump for a week or so. I haven't used my pump. Today's the 3rd day since I haven't used my pump. So I think it's safe to say that I'm now feeling better. Last week, Thursday, I thought I was feeling better. I was okay the whole day, actually. But that night, things got worse, like worse than they were before. So, yeah, I just haven't been sleeping well, especially at night. Things would just get worse. So I don't even know if my asthma was getting worse because of the cold or what, because it usually happens like at night. During the day, I'm okay-ish, but at night, things got worse. But now I'm fine. Like I'm saying, I haven't used my asthma pump in 3 days now. So yeah, that's why I haven't posted anything. I must have gotten the dust mites from Mamsi's house because there was a lot of dust. The house was quite dusty, if I put it that way. So there was a lot of cleaning that we had to do. So I think just that and the many chemicals that we were using just got to me. So yeah, it's something that I'm gonna have to avoid moving forward. It's just that I like to be hands-on, especially when I go to somewhere, like if you're moving or you're cleaning or doing whatever, or there's an event. I just like to be hands-on. But I think from now on I'm just gonna focus more on the kitchen than the cleaning side, just for my health. And I really do hope that people will understand that. So yeah, I just thought let me update you guys because it's been over a week since I updated this vlog, so it's gonna be weird. So yeah, today is a Thursday. I am going to Mamsi's house. I'm actually waiting for my friend Bagang to come pick me up at home. I have laundry to do, especially my bedding. Obviously I haven't been well, so I haven't been doing much of that. I like to wash my bedding on a weekly basis. Every single week I need to wash my bedding, guys. One thing I believe in is clean bedding. Okay, clean bedding. I can't sleep. I cannot fall asleep. Bedding is unless they're gonna or whatever the case is. So I'm going to wash that and hopefully it'll be dry tonight because I need my blankets. I need my blankets. So yeah, I'm gonna go to Mamsi's house. I will be doing my laundry there. And then yeah, just check up on her in the house and everything, how she's doing. So yeah, I just thought let me continue this vlog. There's a lot that I have to do. Obviously I have a lot of catching up to do. I have clients this weekend. I have to get a few things for Riley, some new pajamas. She just needs quite a number of things. So yeah, I think this vlog will be up next week. So I think we'll have quite a number of things to do this weekend. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's go to Mamsi's house. And yeah.
You throw it away like it's nothing. It's easier than fighting, but now, no. You're so inside the agonies.
You know, delays in the filling station. All the petrol attendant bought these for me. So, I'm going to get on. Can we get the girl that I think I am? So, yeah, we're on our way now. But I don't think there's a difference. How about I get leave me alone? Just say.
Right now I'm trying to think of how to connect my life so that I'm more content.
But I honestly think it's wise I'm not to have full tank.
It is.
Because one man so paranya doesn't work much.
I think I pour full tank maybe twice a month. And
Yeah.
if I'm being honest,
Stop for a second, breathe. I turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough. I've been trying to reach you, baby. I lose You're struggling to see what I'm doing. Did I take a bullet for you? It's easy to let go, but I won't. I need you here, need you right now. You throw it away like it's nothing. It's easier to let go, but I won't. You're so inside the agony. Stop for a second, breathe. I'd turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough. I've been trying to reach you, baby. I lose my mind. You've been kind of see-through lately, but you're good for me. 'Cause every time you hurt me, I go na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no not now. I've been
Good morning. Today's a Saturday. I think I last left you guys when we were at Mumsy's house, which came back home, slept. Yesterday was a Friday. I didn't get much done, to be honest. So today is a Saturday. It's still morning. I think it's like past 8. So I'm gonna get out of bed now. I need to bath because I'm gonna go to Airport Junction. So I'm gonna post the Hote Sedilaka has a free lung screening thing. So I thought, let me just go to that. And then can I really buy Mr. Price? I'm gonna get that. I'm not too sure if I'll manage to get the one, those boots that I lay by Adrizi go Akamens because she can't find the receipt. And I think we did that in her name, so she's gonna have to go get it. I can't, obviously, because it's not in my name. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. And I thought, let me just continue with the vlog. So yeah, let's wake up, go take a bath, have some breakfast, then we can go. Hey guys, I'm back home. It's literally let me check the time so I tell you guys for sure. So it's literally like 20 past 4 and we just got back home. So we managed, but we didn't manage. So we did the sugar test, the sugar diabetes test. I'm fine, child. I'm fine. My sugar levels are normal. So yeah, also checked my weight, height and all of that. So yeah, the store but in the Babukile store I think until 2 p.m. But obviously there was a lot of us, and I think they started packing about 2 3, so they told us that since we had registered and written our names, numbers and everything, well, they have our numbers in the system because we're registering. They'll call us like during the course of the week and stuff like that to go do the test. It's still gonna be free, but for us who were there today. So yeah, I didn't manage to do the lung test, but I really hope they'll call. They promised, but I really hope they'll call because it's something that I really want to do. So I just thought, let me show you guys what I got. So yeah, I had labored these. My friend also got a pair, so not the same size though. So these are the size 4. So if you're gonna get these boots, go Ackermans, I suggest that you size down. I'm a size 5, but for these, luckily I did try them on in the shop before getting buying. I'm not one to fit clothes, fit shoes, nothing like that. It's a hair because I'm just too lazy. But luckily that day I was in a good mood, so I tried these on and I got a size 4. So these were 179.95, so basically 180. And honestly, the bouquet the hair like I don't know, the feel of quality for the price. I feel like this is a bargain, to be very honest with you. So yeah, I wanted boots that are not gonna be black because I already have 2 pairs of black boots. So when I want to change them, I sort of kind of can't. So yeah, I'm really excited. I can't wait to style these. This is an up close and personal feel or look to the boots. So yeah, these are my friends. She got a size 3. she's normally a size 4. She got a size 3. So I can take a little more comments when I went to get the lay-by. I saw these gum boots. Riley doesn't have any this year, so when I saw these, I'm like, actually I think she would like these a lot. I didn't video call her, which is something that I do all the time these days. Like if I go to the shops and I'm not with Riley, I definitely have to video call her or send her a picture just so she can confirm if she likes it or not. Because one thing about Riley, if I buy her something and she doesn't like it, she's not gonna wear it at all. So yeah, I believe she will like these. She's a size 12. They kind of look big though, but it's fine because I think it's fine, really. Yeah. So these are the boots. They were on sale from 130 to 89 pula. So yeah, I really love them. I like them, so I know that she's going to love them. I just put them there. And then Mr. Price, I got her these. It's a twin set, and I really hope, okay, now that I look at them now, I'm not too sure. Thing with Riley is that she's quite slim, but she's tall, like really tall for her age. So sometimes it's either like or you get it. So something that fits her waist is gonna be short at the legs, and something that fits her height very well is gonna be big at the waist. So I think with this one I was trying to go for that waist snatching look, if I put it that way. Yeah, something comfortable, but I believe they're supposed to be long. I will see. She'll fit them. I'll see. If they don't fit her nicely, we'll have to return them. So yeah, and this pink color, the other one is scorchiana, that color. And then I got my skirt. It's a mini skirt. It's a pink mini skirt. I really love this. I got this in a size 32. I am normally a size 32 or size 8. So yeah, I got this in a size 32, my normal size. It was 139.90, so 140. Or the 2-piece was 100 pula. It was 99.90 for the twin pack. So yeah, Mr. Price. So I really love the skirt. I cannot wait to style it. So excited. Anyways, I think that's it for today. Back home now, I'm so hungry, but I think I survived, babe. So yeah, we'll see. I'll see what I get up to. If I get up to something, I'll definitely include you guys in. But if I don't, I'm definitely gonna see you guys tomorrow when I go to church. So yeah, bye. Hi guys, another day on the vlog. So I haven't vlogged since Saturday, I think. I don't even remember. But yeah, I went to church. Didn't do much after that. Okay, Oriental. So, what up? As I was saying, my friend and I met up Bakang, and then we just did some window shopping, Oriental, nothing much. We didn't even buy anything. You know, just for and then yeah, I think that's it. I didn't vlog because my battery was really low. Yeah, so today is a Tuesday. We're making platters in the morning. I'm with my cousin right now. We're making platters in the morning. So yeah, now we have an appointment with Duetso. We're actually outside waiting for her right now. So yeah, we're going out for coffee, but it's like 4 p.m. Yes, we're going out for coffee. We just wanted to meet up. You know, there's a lot to celebrate, man. I mean, 1K subscribers. She got a new phone. Life is amazing. You know, things are starting to make sense. So we need to celebrate. Honestly, it's just an excuse, but we need to celebrate. So yeah, I just thought, let me continue this vlog. Cheers to 1K. And on that note, thank you so much, you guys, for 1K subscribers. Like, I don't believe it. Huh? I don't believe it. I honestly feel like this is going to open so many doors for me and for us, because we're we're a family of 1,000 people. So yeah, I really hope that this is gonna bring collaborations, gonna bring sponsorships from companies, hair companies, clothing companies, travel companies. Yay! What the hell? Like, all of everything. I'm so ready, and I really trust that you guys are ready for the content that's gonna come. Okay, 1K is a big deal for me, so I obviously want to celebrate, although I don't know how. I've been getting some suggestions here and there, but I don't know how. And right now, I know I promised you guys that I was gonna do like a giveaway once we reach 1K, but right now is my finances. So where my finances are, well, things don't make sense right now. But I promised that we're gonna have a 1K giveaway. Even if it's gonna happen, we're looking for 2K subscribers or 3K, whatever, we're definitely gonna have a 1K subscribers giveaway. So yes, please do leave your suggestions in the comment section, and then I think we'll pick from there. We'll see what to do. I thought of buying a wig and then giving it away, you know. And then I also thought, I have guys who watch my channel. They're not a lot, but they're there, you know. And I also thought, why not pick 2 of my subscribers and then just go out with them for like brunch or something. So I don't know. You guys will help me decide, because I'm doing it for you guys. So yeah, I just thought, let me start this vlog right now, today. I kind of look cute. Guys, my face is getting better. I just have to say it. Like, it's just a little bit of foundation. I'm like, whoa, who's this girl? Anyways, yeah, we're waiting for Duretso, and as usual, she is taking her sweet time. So yeah, I think I'm gonna vlog once we're there. I think we're gonna go to Mag and Bean if we don't change our mind, because like, yeah, she's coming. So bye, you guys. My cousin will say hi to Mag and Bean as well as Duretso, I think.
Yes.
Okay, she's gonna say hi to Mag and Bean. Bye guys, for now. Oh, this looks nice. Yeah, thank you.
No, it's okay. We do anything for the content. Honestly.
Mostly.
Stop far a second breathe. I'd turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough. I've been trying to reach you, baby. I lose my mind. You've been kinda see-through lately, but you're good for me. 'Cause every time you hurt me, I go na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no not now. I've been trying to reach you, baby, to understand you better, baby, tonight. You're struggling to see what I'm doing. Did I take a bullet for you? It's easier to let go, but I won't. I need you here, need you right now. You throw it away like it's nothing. It's easier to let go, but I won't. You're so inside the agony. Stop for a second, breathe. I'd turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough. I've been trying to reach you, baby.
Hey guys, it's another day in the vlog, but I'm honestly just here to close off this vlog properly and say thank you one more time. I can never thank you guys enough. I am so grateful. We are at 1003 subscribers, like literally, and to think I haven't been posting and you guys still subscribed, it means the world to me. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching this vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed. We had fun at our little coffee date. We had so much fun. I enjoyed my cake. I got the chocolate caramel cake. Yeah, it was really nice. Really, really nice. I didn't want to finish it, so I'm definitely going to be going back to Mug and Bean. And they were having a 2-for-1 special. They have it every Tuesday for cappuccinos. So yeah, they have like a price thing for 2 cappuccinos. So you can either get one at the restaurant, get one to go, or your friend can have one and then you have the other one, which is really nice. I love coffee dates. I really love coffee. I'm a coffee girl. I'm sure you guys know that. So lately I've been trying to get into like cappuccino with hazelnut, you know, cappuccino, all these things. I usually buy the sachets, either Jacobs or Nescafe, and Hug in a mug. Really love those. So yeah, I'm trying to branch more and not just drink my regular black coffee. And I think I love it. I'm really loving it. I think one day I'm gonna own an espresso machine. That's how much I love coffee. But yeah, I just thought, let me wrap up this video right here and say thank you guys. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. I know I look crusty, but honestly, I was just sitting here trying to edit this vlog, and I thought, when there's the light, let me just close this vlog so that I don't have to do it later on when it's dark. So yeah, bye.